In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a photography website with Wix. Whether you shoot portraits, landscapes, or events, this quick walkthrough will help you get a clean, professional site online without any coding. Start by heading to your Wix dashboard and click Create a new site. This takes you into Wix's setup flow and straight to the part that matters most for photographers, choosing how your site will look and feel. When prompted, select Template. Templates are ready-made designs that you can customize completely, which makes building fast and keeps your layout consistent. In the template library, search for photography templates. You can type photography in the search bar or browse the photography category. As you explore, pay attention to a few essentials: a strong home hero section for your standout image, a gallery layout that fits your style, grid, masonry, or full screen, and simple navigation so viewers focus on your work. Pick something that matches your vibe, whether that's minimal and monochrome or bold and colorful. Next, select one you can start off on. Don't worry about it being perfect yet. Every template in Wix is fully customizable, so think of this as your starting canvas. Click to open it in the editor, and you're ready to make it your own. Now, start replacing elements with your own, and also the style to make it your own. Swap all placeholder images with your photos by clicking an image and choosing Change Image or Managing a Gallery. Upload high-resolution files, but keep sizes reasonable so pages load quickly. Use cropping and focal point tools to control how images display, and add clear alt text for accessibility and better clarity. Update headings and paragraphs by double-clicking the text. Keep copies short and purposeful. Introduce who you are, what you shoot, and where you work. Replace any buttons with action-driven labels and point them to the right sections. Adjust the style to reflect your brand. Open the design settings to choose a color palette that complements your images, and select 2 or 3 fonts for consistent typography. Maintain strong contrast for readability, and give your images room to breathe with generous spacing. Tidy the header and footer, update menu labels, and connect social icons to your profiles so visitors can follow your work. Take a moment to check the mobile view and fine-tune spacing so galleries and text look great on smaller screens. Save as you go, and that's all. You clicked Create a new site, selected a template, searched for photography templates, chose a solid starting point, and customized the content and style to make it truly yours.